morning, my dear respected teachers. My name is Ashwini. Today is 26th November. We are celebrating Constitution Day. On this day in 1949, the Constitution of India was adopted. It was come into force on 26 January 1950. Our Constitution is the supreme law of India. It is the largest written Constitution in the world. Dr. Bhim Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution. We should always respect and follow our Constitution. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Samvidhan.
संविधान भारत का सर्वोच्च विधान है जो 26 नवंबर 1949 में शामिल किया गया था। 26 नवंबर को भारत का संविधान दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। थैंक यू।
Myself, Ganesh Sanjay. Today I will tell you important of the today's day. Today is the Indian Constitution Day. As you all know, we celebrate the Indian Constitution Day every year in 26 November in our country. Our Indian Constitution Day we celebrate because we adopted the Indian Constitution on 26 November 1949, and we also celebrate the Indian Constitution Day to give tribute to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He is also known as the father of the Indian Constitution.
How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Do you know what's today special? Anyone? No one? Okay. Today is our Constitution Day. Constitution Day is also known as the Law Day and Samvidhan Divas. It is a very important day for all our India because it is a never-ending part of our life. On 26 November 1949, the Constitution passed in India, but in 26 January 1950, the Constitution applied in India. The Constitution of India is the largest and biggest written in the world. Do you know who is the chairperson of Constitution of India? Anyone? Who? Yes, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is the chairperson of Constitution. Thank you.
सबसे पहले मैं आपको संविधान दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ। आज के दिन हमारा जो संविधान है वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वो लिखना कंप्लीट हुआ था और इसको अप्लाई मतलब लागू करा था 1950 26 जनवरी को। 26 नवंबर को इस दिन हमारा जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन था वो लिखा गया था और ये जो संविधान है भारत का जो संविधान है वो दुनिया के सबसे बड़े संविधानों में से एक संविधान माना जाता है। इसमें सबसे बड़ा योगदान था डॉक्टर भीमराव अम्बेडकर का। 2015 26 नवंबर ये वो हम सेलिब्रेट करने आ रहे हैं। थैंक यू।
Good afternoon. My name is Sujata Sujata. I study in 6th grade. सबको Constitution Day की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। Constitution Day, also called Samvidhan Divas, is celebrated every year on November 26th. Honors the adoption of the Indian Constitution. Thank you.
My name is Sabha. Today is 26th November. Today is Indian Constitution Day. I would like to start my speech with a beautiful words. Our Constitution. Indian Constitution is the longest constitution in the world. Constitution Day is also called the Samvidhan Divas and Laws Day. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is known as the father of the nation, and India declared the socialism, equality, guarantees, all of this.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. I wish you a very happy Constitution Day. Constitution Day is celebrated every
जो लाइनें हैं इनको सीधे खड़े रहने दो, बैकग्राउंड में आ रहे हो, बातें कर रहे हो।
Because it was completed and adopted on 26 November 1949. After it came Constitution on 26 January 1950. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is called the architect of the Indian Constitution. It took 2 years, 11 months and 80 days to prepare. The Indian Constitution gives fundamental rights to citizens and equality. Thank you.
My name is Kaushal from class 10. Today is Samvidhan Divas. Samvidhan Divas is also called a Constitution Day. It is celebrated in every year on November on Indian Constitution. On this day in 1949, the Constituent Assembly officially adopted the Constitution. Constitution Day reminds us how important the Constitution is protecting the rights, equality, and freedom of citizens. It is important and brotherhood. It is essential for maintaining democratic society. Thank you.
Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hello guys, my name is Kunal Bhagat. Today we gather to celebrate Constitution Day. Constitution Day also called the National Law Day. We are celebrating on 26 November. Our Constitution is the largest. Written in the world. It is a tribute to Bhimrao Ambedkar, the father of the Indian Constitution. Thank you guys. भाषा, सैकड़ों विधि, हजारों विधान, करोड़ों भारतीयों को जोड़कर रखे यही मेरा संविधान। हमारा भारत देश जो उत्तर में हिमालय, दक्षिण में समुद्र और इस भारत में रहने वाले हम सभी भारतीय हैं। नमस्ते, मेरा नाम दुष्यंत प्रताप सिंह चौहान है। मैं कक्षा 9वीं में पढ़ता हूँ। आज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे है। हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को बनने में 2 वर्ष 11 महीने 18 दिन लगे थे। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब भीमराव अम्बेडकर थे। थैंक यू।
Hello, good morning everyone. Respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Constitution Day is celebrated on 26th November every year in India. This day is celebrated to remember the adoption of the Constitution of India. Our Constitution was adopted on 26th November 1946. Thank you.
Hello friends, myself Ganesh Sanjeev. I will ask you one question related to Indian Constitution. Everybody know in how when Indian Constitution completed and when it was applied. But anybody know how many days till Indian Constitution take to complete? मतलब संविधान को कंप्लीट होने में कितने दिन लगे थे? Anybody know?
2 years, 11 months, 70 days.
तालियां।
It is the right answer. Thank you.
I am studying class 6. हम हर साल 26 नवंबर को राष्ट्रीय संविधान दिवस मनाते हैं। इस दिन का यह महत्व है कि हम वर्ष 1949 में भारत के संविधान को अपनाया था। थैंक यू।
हमारे संविधान की रचयिता कौन है? हमारा संविधान किसने लिखा था?
माइक लो।
हमारे संविधान की रचयिता कौन है? हमारा संविधान किसने लिखा था?
चल आना जल्दी बिलाल। उसने 3 बार बोल दिया ऑलरेडी।
डॉक्टर बी.आर. अम्बेडकर।
हमारे संविधान में हमें कितने मौलिक अधिकार प्राप्त हैं? कौन बताएगा? मौलिक अधिकार।
वो लास्ट क्वेश्चन को आप ही जवाब देना चाहते हो? किसने लिखा था?
राइट आंसर।
Everyone, good morning to all of you.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Can anybody say what is the meaning of adoption?
यस।
You all say on this day the Constitution was adopted. Can anybody say what is the meaning of adoption?
वैसे हमने संविधान दिया था इसमें, क्या बोलते हैं?
On 26 November 1949, our Constitution was adopted. What is the meaning of adoption?
क्या बोल के अभी कुणाल तो बताऊंगा, तुम याद ही नहीं।
सर अप्लाई करना
यस सही है ना। नॉट अप्लाई, रॉन्ग आंसर।
अपनाना
Anybody?
अबे अडॉप्ट लेना।
What is the meaning of adoption?
अडॉप्ट हिंदी में इसका मतलब है यार गोद में।
बोल देना झालं ना
Anybody wants to say? Asmi, you want to say? Come.
जैसे सबने बताया कि 1949 में संविधान कंप्लीट हुआ था।
26 जनवरी 1949
संविधान मतलब अपना तो उन्होंने लिया था।
So the meaning of adoption is it was ready on that day. मतलब बनकर ready हुआ था उस दिन. Okay. And from 26 January 1950 it was applied.
अप्लाई।
Okay.
तालियां बजाओ।
Okay. And what are the core principles in our constitution? Core principles like justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. These are the core principles of our constitution. And our constitution is the lengthiest constitution of the world. Okay, we have taken sources from various countries like Ireland, America, okay, British constitution, so many countries. Okay, thank you all of you.